Hello everyone, welcome to my last video blog for bowling tutorial class 3202. My name's Elena. Thank you for joining me for this last wrap-up video. So I did bowling and it was an amazing experience having to go bowling these past couple of weeks. It's been great. I've been able to learn a lot of techniques and just it's been fun as educational for me. Some of the challenges that I had faced going bowling was probably just transportation and money. I guess you could say $5 do add up. And that was just the challenges of getting there and finding the time to drive from campus to a bowling alley. But we put our brains together and I got to go bowling with other people from this same class but different sections that needed to go bowling too. So that was pretty fun. Feelings when participating, I had a lot of fun like I mentioned earlier. I was able to learn how to position my feet, what bowling weights were better for me personally, how to control the ball, how to use my muscle, my hand position to throw the ball accordingly to hit the pins correctly. So it was a lot of fun as well as a learning experience because I didn't get to do as many strikes as I would have wanted to, given that I'm a very competitive person. But it was a fun experience. I did get to see how males were at the bowling alley more often than females were just from going bowling these past couple of weeks. And I didn't know that was the case. I thought bowling was just something like a universal sport where families would just go and go to the bowling alley on a Friday night. But I can see why going in, I think it's because of the bowling ball's weight. So men are more fit, more able to carry a heavier ball that helps the point of bowling, which is to knock all the pins over. And for someone like me, I would use a lighter bowling weight, which I threw it straight and on the first pin, and it should have been a strike, but it wasn't because the bowling ball wasn't as heavy. So it was very light and didn't throw as many of the bowling pins. There wasn't enough force. But it was cool though that on the bowling screen you could see how fast you threw the bowling ball. So that was cool to see. I would try to just beat that and try to get the bowling ball to go faster. So for women, a lot of women didn't, just from people that would go, not a lot of women would go. So I don't think I would feel the pressure of doing so well. But now I know really great pointers, and I hope that you guys learned a little bit of bowling and pointers and how to throw and stand correctly, position yourselves, and what bowling balls to get, what bowling balls not to get, where to put your fingers, your hands, everything matters. So thank you for watching my bowling tutorial, and I hope that your tutorial is going great, and I'll be watching them soon. Thank you. I think that one was more awkward.